Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. First of all, I'd like to thank all of you new subscribers for joining our channel, and I hope I don't disappoint you. There's a lot of stuff going on right now. I bought a house, a small house. Things it looks like it's moving in this house pretty fast, and I got to the point I got a little bit scared about it, to tell you the truth. But I needed a place to stay. And first of all, they told me, I heard everywhere, including some from real estate people, that they did not have anything available, not to rent, not to buy where I live. I really did not want to move from here because all my friends, I just like it. I like it here. By the grace of God, I found one. And guess what? It's a fixer-upper. I mean, from head to toe. But that's just me. That's what I like to do. I like the house. I like the bones in the house. I checked it out. I mean, everything. And unfortunately, it's gonna need like a new electrical, all the new rewiring, plumbing, name it. So it's gonna be a lot of videos. As soon as it becomes my house, I've been signing papers April the 12th. Then I will be happy to show you the inside of the house and outside, and some of the things that I'm planning to do to it. Because, I'm going to need some help. Seriously. I would like to have some of your input, especially, some of you that have done this before. And I am doing some of the things by professionals, okay? That including the rewiring, the plumbing. I will be putting in central heating and air conditioning. And right now it's got propane. I do not want propane. I will get gas because the heating part of it, and the water heater, of course, will be gas. And I don't mind that, but everything else will be electrical. So that's where I am right now. I know I tell you that I'm really excited about it. I'm excited because it's going to be a new chapter in my life. This little house, actually not so small, it's about 1,500 square feet, which is not too bad. But what I like about this house, and I think about all the old houses, first of all, they're constructed very well. I mean, this is made out of wood, and you could not even drive an nail in there. So that's very good. No termites, which is even excellent. But also it's got high ceilings. I love the high ceilings. And it has big rooms. So it's great. And it's what I needed. So yeah, it's going to be a lot of going on. But in one of the rooms, of course, is going to be just my craft room for right now. So it be inside the house, and if it gets to the point that I may need a little something outside the house, then I have another possibilities that I could do, no problem. So we'll see. But I wanted to tell you because my crafting may be less, but not necessarily, or maybe not as often. I just have to wait and see. But I do have a way that I can process my videos, and still be able to put them on the on YouTube. But like I said, things are changing. So, but I'm going to be making a lot of my craft videos will be things that I need for organizing my craft room, doing stuff, boxes, all kinds of different things. So that will keep on. And of course, I'll be doing other things. But some of the little videos, maybe small little videos, craft videos, and then some will be, of course, longer videos. But definitely one thing I am going to do is videoing the process that's going into my house. What they're doing, the professionals are doing, but also what I'm doing. And most of everything inside, I want to do it myself. And so I'm super excited about it. And a lot of projects for next year outside. So anyway, I just wanted to, let you know this, and then a new journey for me, and I hope you come along with it because it's going to be very interesting. Absolutely, absolutely, it's going to be very interesting. And I don't know right now what else to tell you. Except thank you for your wonderful comments on my videos. I will continue doing them that way. I think it actually probably is a good thing because that way I can do a little bit every day and that's not a problem. And usually I can go ahead and upload them, as I have them made, and then of course just go ahead and when I have them all done, then put them out there. So basically that's all I have to say for right now. If you have any question, let me know, and we'll have I'll be happy to answer any of your questions. And like I said, if you are a fixer-upper out there or somebody that knows what to do, well, keep on watching because starting probably, well, I'm going to try to start as soon as I have my little key in my hands. Also, I have to say that, of course, I have a lot of things going on in May. May, I have my granddaughter's graduating with honor, which is, she's all my grandchildren, because we all can say about that. I have to brag at my grandchildren are awesome, and they are fantastic. So this is my old, my one and only granddaughter, which is kind of nice because I have the other. Besides her is her little daughter, and so I have two little girls in my, that I just love, and then I have, let's see, I have three grandsons and one great grandson. So I'm been very, 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 very blessed. But anyways, my little granddaughter is gonna graduate, and I'm going to the graduation, and then of course, my youngest daughter, oldest son, is getting married also in May. So one is in a weekend before the other one, I think. So it's gonna be busy May, and I'm making the cake for the wedding. I will show it to you when I do it, and it's very simple, but it's very sweet. That's what she wants. The bride wants is what the bride wants, and this is what we'll do. And so yeah, it's gonna be doing like I said. I may won't be doing videos in May because of the of everything that I have to do, but if I can, I will. But I'll definitely show you how to make my cake for the wedding. That way you can kind of see it and enjoy it. I'm trying to think anything else is going on right now. I am working on a storage crafting project, so I have it already kind of mapped out, and I'll start trying to make videos probably excuse me, this weekend, because I'm showing my house this week, so I'm trying to get my house look neat for my, not that it looks bad, but I mean, you trying to go that little extra thing that you want to do for the house to look a little bit nicer. And so this week I'm going to be pretty busy, and this is why I put this little video, because I thought this way you get to know, what's going on in my life. And so this weekend I will start working on the project, and hopefully everything goes well. It will be out that following weekend. It seems to work out really well for me to get them out either Friday or Saturday. I need to call my Wi-Fi giver because it's processing. The last video took a day and a half, folks. It is unbelievable. It never takes that long. And I'm having a lot of trouble with them. So hopefully they fix the problem, whatever the problem is. Otherwise, I might have to change. But just be patient with me. And as always, stay well, stay crafty, and God bless you all.